Welcome back everybody, Gobby here, and today this video is gonna be a special one because we just reached 300 subscribers. To reach this number, I needed you, my mom, hey mom, and another 298 fake accounts. No, I'm just kidding. Today in this video we're gonna take a look at this new Moral Origin Bifold Wallet, and at the end of the video you have a chance to win one of this Minima wallet or this fresh unopened magnet purse. So, let's do it! So there we go. I just quickly opened this envelope. And I expect that it's gonna be easy to assemble it as usual. That's it. It's a piece of cork and some equipment. And here's you're gonna get this welcome card. It's Moral Origin turned into a black one. I just watched the tutorial quickly and it should be very easy. I think I should start with this pin. I just have to put this here and bend this over to the right. Then this one comes next. And then just flip this up. Just like this. Okay, one side is done, and I think I should just repeat on the other side. Got a few extra parts, just in case. This one first. You need to break in a little bit because it's a fresh one. And you know, this material, the cork, is very durable, so you don't have to worry about it. There you go. Flips out now, but if it's gonna be in your pocket for a while, it's gonna be alright, just like with my flip wallet with a nice patina on it. And here you got this Minima wallet. So that's my selection, and I'll let you know how you can win this, but now just focus on this one and quickly just make some card test and coin test. So a few cards, some coins, notes. So here I got 11 cards. Let's just see how it works. 1 card, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, the 5th one, and another 5th on this side too. Okay, I think that's it. We still got some pockets here and here, so you can put some notes down there. I hate these notes. Most of the time I just carry cards and that's it. So there you go. And now you got a nice package. It's not too bulky, it looks good, it feels good in my hand. And look, with the cards inside, it keeps it closed. I still got some room here, maybe for an extra card. So that's all of my 11 cards. Maybe some business cards. Easy. Okay, let's see some coins. I'm gonna drop them in there. To be honest, I don't think it's gonna work. Oh, we'll see. Some more. Okay, now tons of coins in it. Okay, maybe it's in a bit overkill, but yeah, let's see. It's a testing time. I think actually it works because as I see, as soon as you close the wallet, it closes this pocket here. Look, I'm not sure that you can see, but nothing comes out from there. But now it's a bit overloaded because I just put tons of coins, tons of cards, notes, business cards. I never carry that much of stuff, so let's see like a real life what I used to carry, okay? Real life test. Okay. ID, driving license, bank card, a loyalty card, another loyalty card, some access card, whatever. That's it. I used to carry that much, maybe. A few notes, take a business card, and there you got some change. There you go. And now you have it. This is one of my favorite designs so far because I really like how minimalist this looks like. If you're interested about my previous reviews, just click into this corner, or I'll put the link down below because I made a video about this wallet. This is the Minima wallet, and about this flip wallet as well. And as you can see, this one is a brand new, nice and clean color, and I carried this a lot. It has a patina on it, but if you like, you can use some water, clean this a little bit and turn into a brand new. The Minima wallet is the smallest as I can see, and the Flip wallet is like a medium, and the Bifold wallet is the biggest from these three, so depending on what you need, just pick one and you're ready to roll. Guys, I really like this company because they're using natural, eco-friendly materials and they put a lot of effort into every design, and all of their wallets are unique because every time when I flipped it out, the people around me was like, oh, what's that? Is it a wallet? So the question is, how can you win one of this beauty? It's not gonna be difficult, it's gonna be easy, I hope so. I put all the link down below and the instructions and step-by-step guidelines, so I got this for you. Step 1, subscribe to my channel. Easy. Step 2, follow Moral Origin Instagram page. You got this. And step 3, tag one friend in the comment section on Instagram. It's might gonna be a bit more complicated, link down below, but you can do it. I trust you. I know you can do it. And you know, there's not much of a competition because here's you, my mom. She's not allowed to win, don't worry. She's not, it's for you. And another 298 person. So, you got this. And guys, I hope you like this video. Just please give me a thumbs up. Thank you for watching. And thanks for being a part of this small group. I appreciate it. And stay tuned for more upcoming Optimal Review.